How to download iTunes on MacBook. To download iTunes on MacBook, first of all, you have to find out App Store on your device. Simply scroll your mouse to the bottom. You will see a lot of options available. Among them, you will see Launchpad. From there, select App Store. Once your App Store is open, on the left side you will see searching bar where you have to search for iTunes. You may not get the actual version of the iTunes, but there are a lot of alternatives on the App Store available for iTunes. You can choose whichever you want and simply hit on the get. And then you'll have iTunes on your device. This is a very easy step to download iTunes on MacBook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.